different fruits. Now let's look at the list of fruits we have for the day. The first one is mango. Mango. The next is apple. Apple. Then we have banana. Banana. Then we have grapes. Grapes. Next is kiwi. Kiwi. Moving on, we have strawberry. Strawberry. Then we have blueberry. Blueberry. Next is raspberry. Raspberry. The next one is pineapple. Pineapple. The next one is my favorite fruit. It's orange. Orange. Moving on, we have watermelon. Watermelon. Then we have lemon. Lemon. Moving on, we have avocado. Avocado. The next fruit on our list is pomegranate. Pomegranate. The next fruit is the dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. Then we have papaya. Papaya. Next is guava. Guava. The next one on our list is peach. Peach. And then we have plum. Plum. The next fruit is pear. Pear. Next is cherry. Cherry. Then we have the custard apple. Custard apple. And the last fruit on our list for the day is the coconut. Coconut. And that brings us to the end of this lesson. What is your favorite fruit? And for more fun videos like this, be sure to check out the other videos on our channel. The links for those will be available in the description box below. Thank you so much for joining in today. You did a great job. See you again tomorrow. Bye-bye for now. And if you like our videos, be sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, Peach Peanut Poppy.